Hello, I'm back with another at-home activity. And so the activity is called What Put Out the Fire? So I have a candle that I'm going to light, baking soda, tablespoons, water, vinegar, and some matches. All right, so I added my hot wax to it. So I have a little bit of water here. So now I'm gonna pour a little bit of baking soda, probably about, say like a spoonful maybe. A half a spoonful, something about like that. We'll pour it in the water. I'm gonna mix it up real good. So this is what I have here. It's a candle and the water. And you see I got a little bit left over. Light the candle again. All right. And the goal is this. The question that is at stake here is what is going to burn out the flame. And so I'm gonna make a prediction, and then I'm gonna turn the camera to watch the experiment. So from my knowledge, I already know that if you mix baking soda and vinegar, it's gonna erupt and make an explosion. Is gonna bubble up. You're going to have a reaction. And so I don't think vinegar is flammable. So, maybe the reaction, the gas from the reaction is, the aroma, well, no, the gas of the reaction is going to cause the flame to go out. So that is my prediction. So now I'm gonna turn the camera to it. I'm gonna pour about 2 teaspoons of vinegar into the sides of it to see what is going to happen. So I'm excited, can't wait. So the science behind this activity is that when you mix the baking soda with the vinegar, the gas is carbon dioxide. And so if you ever had a candle or just like a big candle with the top on it, and you put the top on it, the light is going to go out on the candle, because candles need oxygen for it to stay lit. And so when you put the top on top of the candle, you're cutting off the oxygen. So that's what we did here with the baking soda and the vinegar. When we poured it into the glass container with the candle, we cut the oxygen off from the candle. And so instead of oxygen, it was filled with carbon dioxide. So that's the science behind that. And how does this relate to our textbook? I know chapter 10 talks about safety and having good classroom management. And so this will tie into that, because you want to be safe while using the flame with the candle. And then you want to know what you're mixing. We know as adults that baking soda and vinegar is going to fizz up. It's not really going to make a big reaction, but it's going to fizz up. And so some students might not know that. And so that way you can explain to them, and it can be an open discussion or a prediction, or they can come up with an idea and say, what do you think baking soda and vinegar is going to make, if they do not know. Like for me, I'll be teaching second graders, and some second graders might not know that baking soda and vinegar creates a reaction. And so that could be a little background information for them, and a way for them to get predictions about what's going to happen. And then you can use it, and then you can take it a step further. Okay, so what's going to happen if I light the candle, and then what would the candle do? And so I think that's a good way to tie it to our textbook, even though I don't think the principal will approve of you using candles in the school. But that's all I have for right now. Thanks for watching.